Welcome to FluentArc Podcast. Speak with heart, live with meaning. Can I tell you something embarrassing? I used to know English. At least that's what everyone thought. I memorized vocabulary. I knew grammar. I passed exams. People called me good at English. But then, someone asked me a simple question. "Hey Daisy, where are you from?" And suddenly, my brain froze. Inside my head, everything became traffic. Translate. Check grammar. Find vocabulary. Don't make mistakes. Translate again. Too late. And all I said was, yes.
Okay, first, that's painfully relatable. Second, answering yes to "where are you from" is legendary.
Don't roast me. I was nervous.
No, you weren't bad at English. You were doing something millions of learners do. You were trying to translate every single thought. That's like trying to ride a bicycle while reading the instruction manual.
Wait, you mean translation is the problem?
Not translation itself, over-translation. There's a difference. Translation helps you learn, but translation during conversation, that's where fluency goes to die.
That sounds dramatic.
Because it is. Look, imagine this. Somebody says, "Yo, Daisy, what have you been up to?" And your brain goes, "Okay, translate. What means up? What means to? Present perfect? Answer correctly. Don't sound weird." Conversation gone.
Oh, that's literally me.
Exactly. Native speakers usually don't build sentences word by word. They think in chunks, pictures, feelings, patterns. Not translation.
Then how do people suddenly become fluent?
They don't. They stop trying to sound perfect and start trying to connect.
You know what's crazy? I thought fluent people had faster brains.
No, most of them just have quieter brains, less checking, more speaking, less fear, more trust.
Okay, teach me. Because I'm tired. I'm tired of feeling smart in my language and silent in English.
All right, today you're going to do something weird and it might change everything. You are forbidden to translate.
Wait, what? No translating? That's impossible.
Not impossible. Uncomfortable. Big difference. Here's rule number 1. Don't think English words. Think English pictures.
What does that even mean?
Watch. If I say, "coffee," do you translate or do you see coffee?
I see coffee.
Boom. That's your doorway. Now, build from pictures, not dictionaries.
Okay, I'm listening.
You're not going to speak English. You're going to live in English.
Okay, I'm here. Coffee, notebook, questionable confidence. What now?
Now, we do something dangerous.
Dangerous.
You're going to speak before your brain finishes decorating the sentence.
That sounds illegal.
That sounds fluent. Rule number 2, the 3-second rule. You get a question, you answer in 3 seconds. No translating, no perfect grammar hunt, no mental traffic jam. Just respond.
That sounds terrifying.
Exactly, because your translation habit wants control. Today, we're taking the training wheels off. Ready?
No, but go.
Question 1. What did you do this morning? 3, 2, 1.
I woke up, made coffee, and wait, I'm translating.
Caught it. Try again. Smaller sentences. Talk like a human, not like an academic article. Go.
Okay. I woke up, I felt tired, I grabbed coffee, then I came here. That felt weirdly easy.
Because your brain likes survival, not perfection. People think fluency means long words, fancy vocabulary, complicated grammar. Nope, fluency means you don't freeze.
Wait, so saying simple English fast beats perfect English slowly?
Every single time. Listen, these are fluent, not fancy. I'm starving. I'm wiped out. I'm running late. That caught me off guard. I'll figure it out. I'm not feeling it today. Native conversations are full of this. Short, fast, alive.
Okay, hit me again.
Question 2. Describe your dream vacation. 3 seconds. Go.
Beach, warm weather, good coffee, no emails, no alarms, no drama.
See, you didn't translate. You imagined. That's the move.
Wait, I noticed something. I wasn't searching for every word. I was just talking.
That's because images travel faster than translation. Now level up. No single words, tiny chunks. Ready? Complete these naturally. I'm really looking.
Forward to it.
I ended up.
Staying home.
I'm trying to.
Get better at speaking.
That's chunking, not building sentences from scratch. You're pulling language off the shelf.
Oh, that's why native speakers sound smooth.
Exactly. They don't invent, they retrieve.
This is making me question my entire education.
Welcome. We meet every Thursday. Coffee provided. Existential crises optional. Now, hard mode. You cannot say. Let me think. You answer immediately. Ready?
Bring it.
What makes you happy?
Good conversations, rain, progress, people who stay, warm bread, quiet mornings.
See that? Those weren't translated. Those came from you. That's what real speaking feels like. Not performance, connection.
I think I've been trying to sound intelligent instead of trying to sound real.
And that sentence might change someone's life. Okay, part 3. We stop sounding like textbooks and start sounding natural. You're about to learn the mirror method, the one that made Daisy accidentally sound American.
Can I admit something?
Always.
Sometimes I sound good in practice. Then I talk to a real person, and suddenly my English packs its bags and leaves.
Classic. Your English didn't leave, your attention did.
Meaning?
You stopped communicating and started performing. Most learners secretly think, I must sound impressive. Wrong mission. New mission. I must stay connected.
That sounds nice, but how?
Mirror method, one of the fastest ways to stop translating. No notebook, no memorization, no suffering.
Suspicious. Continue.
Step 1, listen. Step 2, repeat instantly. Step 3, copy emotion, not words.
Emotion?
Yep, watch. I say, hey, what's up? You repeat, but don't think. Copy energy. Ready?
Okay.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Good. Again, but warmer. Like you're seeing your favorite person.
Hey, what's up?
Better. Again, you're exhausted.
Hey, what's up?
See? Same words, different meaning. Language isn't only vocabulary, it's feeling.
Wait, that actually feels more natural.
Exactly. Translation kills rhythm. Imitation builds rhythm. Now, American conversation speed. Ready? Repeat instantly. Wanna grab coffee?
Wanna grab coffee?
Let me check.
Let me check.
Oh, kinda tired today.
Kinda tired today.
I'm down.
I'm down. Wait, I sounded cool.
Easy. Don't get cocky. You said 4 sentences.
Okay, again. Faster.
That's the spirit. Ready? Conversation mode. No translating, only reacting. Hey Daisy, movie tonight?
I'm in. What are we watching?
Something dramatic.
Pass. I want to laugh.
Fair. Pizza?
Now you're speaking my language.
Stop. You translated. Disqualified.
Okay.
I get it. Keep moving.
Notice something? You answered immediately. You weren't hunting grammar, you were living. That's real speaking.
You know what's weird? When I stop translating, I stop being afraid.
Because fear needs time. Confidence likes motion. Not perfect. Moving.
So, when I speak, I should focus on meaning, not sentence construction.
Exactly. People remember energy, connection, stories, not whether you used present perfect correctly.
My grammar books are crying right now.
Tell them I said sorry. Not really. Okay, now comes the hard part, the moment every learner avoids. You're going to speak, and I won't let you restart. No deleting, no correcting, no escaping.
That sounds emotionally illegal.
Good. Growth usually does. Part 4. The No Restart Challenge. 1 take. Real emotions. Real speaking. No translation. Okay, phone away. No notes. No translator. No restarting. You get one take, like real life.
Why does this feel like I accidentally signed up for a reality show?
Because most people only practice edited English. Pause, delete, rewrite, repeat. Real conversations don't care. They keep moving. Today, you move with them.
I already hate this.
Perfect. That means your comfort zone noticed. Challenge starts now. Question. Tell me about someone who changed your life. One take. Go.
Okay. Someone who changed my life wasn't famous, wasn't rich, wasn't extraordinary. She just listened. And that sounds small, but it wasn't. Because I used to think people only liked confident people, perfect people, funny people. Then I met someone who made me realize people remember how you make them feel, not how perfect you sound. And I think that's why I've been scared of speaking English. Because I thought every sentence was an exam, not a connection.
Did you notice?
What?
You didn't translate.
Wait, I actually didn't.
You hesitated. You searched. You breathed. But you stayed. That's speaking.
But I made mistakes.
Probably. And nobody cared. That's the part nobody tells you. People are too busy thinking about themselves. They're not grading your verbs.
That's weirdly comforting.
Okay, round 2. You cannot use difficult words, only natural English. Ready? Describe your perfect weekend. Go.
Wake up late, drink coffee, go outside, walk with no destination, call people I love, watch something funny, eat something unhealthy, tell myself I'll fix my schedule tomorrow, never fix it.
That sounded alive, not translated.
Wait, I think I understand. When I try to sound intelligent, I slow down. When I try to communicate, I speak.
Exactly. You've been carrying every sentence like glass. Language isn't glass, it's clay. Shape it, mess it up, keep going.
Can I ask something?
Always.
Will I ever sound natural? Like actually natural?
Not one day. One conversation, then another, until one day someone says, "Your English is really natural," and you'll blink because you stopped noticing. That's the funny part. Fluency arrives quietly.
That sentence hit harder than expected.
I've got one more challenge, and this one changes everything. No English, no native language, only images, feelings, memory. You're going to tell a story without translating once.
Okay, let's do it.
Final challenge. No translating, no rehearsing, no perfect words. Close your eyes. I want you to remember a moment, a real one. You don't need English. Just remember. Ready?
Okay.
Where are you?
Outside. Morning. Cold air. Quiet street.
What do you see?
Trees. People walking. Coffee. Sunlight.
Good. Don't translate. Stay there. Tell me what happened.
I was walking. Thinking too much. Like always. Thinking about goals. Life. Whether I'm enough. Whether I'm late. Whether everyone else knows something I don't. Then, I saw an old man, sitting alone, drinking coffee, watching people, not rushing, not proving anything, just there. And for some reason, I slowed down. I remember thinking, maybe life isn't something you chase. Maybe sometimes you let it happen.
Open your eyes.
That didn't feel like English.
Exactly. Because language came second. Meaning came first. That's the secret. You don't think, then speak. You feel, then speak.
Wait, so Thinking in English isn't actually thinking in English?
Not exactly. It's thinking without translating. Pictures, feelings, chunks, ideas. Then words arrive.
That sounds less scary.
Because speaking was never your enemy, judging yourself was. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect pronunciation. You don't need fancy vocabulary. You need reps. You need courage. And sometimes, you need to sound awkward for a while.
I wish someone told me this years ago.
Maybe somebody needed to hear it today. So, if you're listening right now, and your English disappears the second somebody talks to you, listen carefully. You are not behind. You are not failing. You are training a new way of thinking, and that takes time. Today, don't memorize 50 words. Speak 5 sentences. Today, don't translate everything. Notice something. Describe something. Say something. Move. Even badly. Move.
And if your sentence breaks, finish it anyway. If your voice shakes, keep talking. If you feel embarrassed, welcome to the club. We'll be here.
One conversation, one day, one sentence. That's all.
Thanks for spending time with us. If this episode made you breathe easier, come back next time. We're building fluency, not perfection.
And remember, stop translating, start living.
See you next time on FluentArc Podcast.